All right, Jeff Lambert here, No Mess Roofing and Gutters, Roof Rejuvenation. Save your roof, save your money. We're on a home that we rejuvenated over a year ago, installed some 6-inch gutters with some easy lock screens. Did some roof repair. Let me turn this around. All right, no granulars in the gutter whatsoever. Now, we have some darkness over there, which means that some stagnant water will sit there and then it eventually drains like it's supposed to. You got your rectangle outlet right there. Let me see if I can get up here. There we go. There you got some granulars that had shed before. You can see they were shedding excessively, but it's not like that anymore in the gutters. We did the pliability test on this. Did the roof tune up before we did the rejuvenation treatment. Got everything sealed. There was a place that had rotten decking right down there by the diverter. It was a plumbing vent pipe, but got everything nice and sealed. But as you can see, there's granular loss on here. This is, as I would say, as bad as it can get for a rejuvenation treatment in regards to doing one on a home. Any more than this, and we would say you have to just replace. But it came out real nice, and the granulars aren't shedding. In the back, you're gonna get some granular shed. You can actually see that right there in the dark. Remember when I was telling you that the water will turn around and split when it hits that corner? So you're gonna have shingle grit going that way, shingle grit going that way if it's shedding. And that right there, believe it or not, is an acceptable amount, because you're still gonna get a little bit of the granular shedding even with the rejuvenation treatment. We can't just super glue like some of the other competitors are doing out there, and you don't want that. You don't want your shingles to be shell-like. You want them to be tacky. So when you super glue, is what I'm going to call it, the granulars down, you're making them hard, and they're not tacky and soft, and they're not going to be able to expand and contract. But yeah, excessive granular loss right there. Excessive granular loss. But rejuvenated it, and it's not shedding. I'm telling you, the last gutter, it had 1.5 inches of grit in there, and she had cleaned it the year before. It's not that bad now. And you can sit there and say, yeah, it's still shedding, Jeff. And it's just like, yeah, I understand. This is an old roof, but it's not 1.5 inches of shingle grit like it was before. So that's a good thing. And the guys will rinse out the system for. On this right here, we won't charge. We'll just rinse that out. If there was gutters everywhere, that would be different. But she just has them in the front and back. Hey, Pablo, let's go ahead and rinse out the back. Well, let's rinse out front and back, okay? Well, there's really nothing in front. How did the pliability test go? Perfect, thank you. Hey, I know I told you before not to do any videos, but did you do a video on this one? No? Okay. Yeah, when we get in a place where it's really bad reception, we won't mess with the videos. Yeah, sometimes in those areas where the reception is just horrible, it takes forever for the videos to download. And so we'll just take pictures on that. Hey, let's get a new ladder too. I just noticed that there's a defect now on our ladder, and I don't want to use that anymore. So I'm gonna have the guys turn around and throw that in the trash and then get another ladder. But yeah, I'm very satisfied considering we saved our money from having to replace. We're coming back every single year to check it. It looks good. There's nothing that is going on since the last time other than an improvement on the shedding of granulars and an improvement on the pliability. These shingles, even though they have some areas where, you know, they're patched out. What I mean by patch is the granulars. I don't mean a roof replacement patch or roof repair patch. But the shingles are pliable. They're actually better than when they were new. They have all the oils in it, and that's why you don't even, I mean, in the front, you don't see any of the granulars at all. You just see dirt. That right there is just dirt. Okay, you got that for me, Chewy? Thank you. All right, let me let you go. I'm gonna get down off the ladder. And Jeff Lambert, No Mess Roofing and Gutters, Roof Rejuvenation. Save your roof, save your money. Thanks.